Hi guys, welcome back to Just Doing Me. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you how I got this look today, all the way from this. Crazy, right? So it's a little bit different from me, but I'm going to chat to you guys while I do it. So first of all, I'm starting on laying my wig. I'm just putting my hair really into place before I apply my got-to-be glue. If y'all don't know, that is the ish that I always use. There it is, just giving it a good shake. One thing I do find is that the less you spray, the longer the hair actually sticks for. In my opinion, I used far too much, but hey, yeah, you can see it's burning my eyes. Using my fingers to lightly tap it down and bringing it all the way to the front of my hairline where I want it to be, and then laying it in place. So I'm just using my fingers to hold it down to where I want it to actually lay, and then of course I'm going to wrap it with a scarf. I actually didn't have one at the time, so I ended up using like my winter scarf to wrap it down, but I thought it looked pretty cute. And then I'm going to leave that on while I do the rest of my makeup. So if y'all don't know, I am such a fan of the L'Oreal True Match foundation, and that's what I'm going to be using today. I used the L'Oreal 9C, and for me it's a very lightweight foundation. I don't need a lot of cover, but you can actually build on it if you're someone who does need a lot of cover. What I do like is that it's not too mattifying and it's also not too dewy. It's a nice mix in between and really affordable, this drugstore. And now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn. I really like this concealer. For me it's quite warm but not like ready, more of a yellow undertone, and yeah, it just does the job. I am looking for new concealers though, guys. If you have any recommendations, drop them below in the comments, y'all. Hook a sister up. So for my brows, I use the MakeUp Forever gel, and I just use a very little amount. That little pot can literally last me 2 years. That's my second batch. And just use like a little brush just to go over my eyebrows and just gently outline where I want my brows to be. As y'all can probably see, I do not have eyebrows naturally, so yeah, we need all the help we can get. I will go over this at a later stage with a pencil. It's just to do an outline initially. Does anybody else really love this stage when like you've got your concealer just randomly everywhere? I'm always tempted to go out looking like that without blending it in, but you know, I reckon people think I'm a little bit cray-cray. But yeah, just blending everything in now, and I'm using my Fenty Beauty blender. To me, that's the best beauty blender I've ever used. So yeah, I think I need to get a few more because I'm always having to wash this one, which I guess is good, but my ass is lazy. I'd rather buy a new one. And yeah, just going over the bottom part of my eyebrows, basically just give them a bit of HD definition, and then of course I will blend that in. You know, people like most of these beauty gurus always do their eyes and the eyebrows first. I really don't understand why. I've never done it, but I am going to try that in an upcoming video. So this is a quad palette that I got from H&M. Yes, H&M do makeup and they do it for dark skinned women. If y'all want me to do a review of the makeup line, let me know below, guys. But yeah, I'm just using the darkest shade in the quad to just cover my double chin and also contour my cheeks. Yes, I'm trying to create some shadow up in here. My double chin is like ugh. So yeah, just trying to hide that, and also my chubby cheeks as well, trying to create some shadow and make me look skinnier than I actually am. Contouring my nose. I really like the way my nose looks contoured. I actually like my nose naturally anyway, but when it's contoured, I like it a lot. And yeah, just blending in the highlighted part of my brows underneath. I don't do the top part of my brows just because I've seen some people looking hella crazy when they do that, like the eyebrows are floating. And now just going in with my pencil. First of all, I line the bottom bit, really creating definition between the highlighted concealer part and the brow itself, and then I lightly fill it in. So I try and avoid being too dark on the inner brow. I try and just let that shade in, but then on the outer brow, yes, I do go over that quite a bit. your eyebrow should always be a graduation. I think I did a pretty good job. I'm not sure if they're twins, but they're definitely sisters. So now guys, I'm about to bake. I'm using the Sacha buttercup, and I was late to the baking party. The thing about me is I'm so skeptical when it comes to all these beauty gurus and all the stuff they say, and when they tell you go buy this, it does this. I'm such a skeptic, so I never do it. But like, this is one makeup product that I slept on. The way like baking really just sets your makeup, and if you're someone that like it's got a bit of oily skin like me, my skin's not that oily, but I do find that by the end of the day my makeup is looking a little bit janky. Not anymore. When I bake, my makeup just looks bomb. It just looks fire. It looks Instagram worthy, and it lasts so much longer. So for me, I'm never going back. I do want to try the Patrick Star baking powder, setting powder. I think that translucent one, but when I see that white, it kind of just scares me. So the Sacha buttercup I do like quite a bit because it's more of like a dusty yellow, although I look very ashy at the moment. Don't worry guys, we will blend everything in. But yeah, I was late y'all. And now outlining my lips with a dark brown liner. Nothing special here. I'm looking for like a reddy brown one, can't find it anywhere, but hey. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty lipstick in the shade Clapback. It's that dark blue, like look at that shade, it's so bomb, it's so fire, and it just makes your pics on Instagram look so dope. So yeah, I mean these lipsticks are super pigmented. If you haven't seen my review of them, go check them out. Oh, and it kind of matches my headscarf. Cute, no? I got it on my teeth. So anyway guys, I said this would be a chit chat. I haven't really chatted that much. I just wanted to say thank you so much for all the support, all the congratulations on my last video. You guys have really shown up and shown out. Over 200 comments, over 300 likes, no dislikes. Well, that's never happened before, so thank y'all so much. I really appreciate it. I'm in Barcelona at the moment because I'm waiting for my contract from the company. Still not arrived, so not that happy about that. But I just booked a trip to Egypt. If you're following me on Instagram, I already told y'all. Instagram at justdoing_me. Go follow me. But yeah, we're going to Egypt real soon. So yeah, I'm pretty much blended in. Get back to this tutorial. And now I'm going to go in with the second darkest color in the H&M quad. It's more of a reddy brown. So I just put that to add a bit more warmth to my face. But yeah, just making my contour a little bit more defined. Don't worry guys, I know nothing is really blended in well at this point. We will go back in and blend all this shit out. Oh, I said each. Ignore that. So yeah, I feel like the look is coming together. I wanted to go for like a very soft natural look with a bold lip, so I'm not going to be doing my eyeshadow, just a really contoured face and the Fenty Beauty Clapback. That's all we're doing today. We're keeping it simple. But yeah, let me know you guys' like favorite beauty products in the comment section below, because I really want to start trying out some of these. Do you know, I've never used primer in my whole life, never, and I see all of them talking about how primer be doing this, primer doing that. So there's lots of stuff I want to try out, you know, so let me know if you've got any recommendations. So yeah, just line my eyes with some pencils I got from some shop, no big deal, but going over it again with the L'Oreal Paris Superstar by Superliner. I really love L'Oreal products. For me, I find that on the high street they are the best, hands down, when it comes to the skin products, when it comes to the lip products, eye products. L'Oreal all the way. I really like this eyeliner because it's a very thin felt tip and it doesn't make me cry when it gets in my eyes. How are we looking guys? We're looking a little bit more blended, a little bit more put together. I felt my winged liner could have done a lot better, but we're still working. Don't forget guys, I am not a makeup artist, I am not a beauty guru. We're just doing the best with what we have, and just going in with like a dark brown blusher. This one I buy in Spain. I don't really think it's available many places, but I'm pretty sure you can get a similar one in L'Oreal. Sometimes I use eyeshadows as my blusher actually if I can't find the right shade. So yeah, this is the L'Oreal. I use it as a shimmer, but it's in the shade nude, and I use it to do the inner tear ducts. I use it to do my highlight and also the bridge of my nose, and it works. Y'all, that is bomb. That is a bomb color, but actually it's an eyeshadow. I'm just making it work. So yeah, using a fan brush and doing a C shape across the top of my cheekbones and above my eyebrows, and then doing the bridge of my nose. So just dabbing that light gold color into my inner tear duct. And there we have it. The look is almost together. Just going to put my falsies on and then go over that with a little bit of mascara. I actually use the Primark falsies a lot, the Demi Wispies. They're literally like £1.50 and I think they're bomb. So yeah, just checking on my hair. It looks pretty well laid, but you always got to go over it. So I'm going to go over it now with some baby wipes, removing any excess hairspray that I see, and also making sure it's not stuck down to my scalp. That is the most unnatural looking thing you can have, just hair just stuck down to your scalp. So just using like a tooth comb to make sure I separate any clumped up hair. And again, just going to go over my hairline with my cord again in the darkest color, just to get the bits that were under the headscarf that I wasn't able to reach, and really just pull the makeup look together. I think that looks bomb, guys. What y'all think? Oh, look at that. Look at me. Hey, I look cute. Can you all see my double chin? Okay, so now it's time to style the hair, but that is the makeup look, guys. What do you think? Like, yes, we did that for Instagram. I straightened my hair and I put some loose curls in the bottom, and then I finished my look. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what your favorite beauty products are. Yes, look at me now. Look at me. Hey. Bye, guys.